Hello, my dear students. This is Rajesh Kumar, PGT Geography, KV number 1, Gandhinagar, Jammu. And I am going to lecture on class 7 Geography. The chapter that we are going to discuss today is the environment. As we know, what is environment? Environment, something is surrounding of us, is called environment. Before discussing the environment, we should know and try to understand about the environmental terminologies. These are: number 1, environment is our life supporting system. It provides air to breathe, water, food, and place for living. The natural environment consists of land, water, air, plants, and animals. It can be classified into two categories: biotic and abiotic. Biotic refers to living world, for example, animals, plants, and human beings. Abiotic, it maybe includes non-living things, for example, mountain, plateaus, building, cars, road, etc., and land also. The three realms and domains of the earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Lithosphere, it is related to the earth. Hydrosphere, it is related to the water and ocean, and third one is atmosphere, that is related to the air and layer of the atmosphere. Now, next terminology is biosphere, the narrow interacting zone of the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. It is called biosphere. Next, the relation between organization and their surroundings from the ecosystem. Man-made environment, human beings, and natural environment. Earth is a unique planet. Why? This question is very important and maybe asked in coming exam. Why is Earth is called unique planet? Because it has the life supporting system. So that's why we can say Earth is a unique planet. So we already discussed so many terminologies like environment, physical or natural environment, man-made environment. What is man-made environment? Actually, surrounding created by the humans consist man-made environment like building, road, parks, etc. Human environment is the environment which reveals the activities created and the interaction among human beings. And we already discussed about the biotic, abiotic, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and ecosystem. Again, we should be discuss the ecosystem. Ecosystem formed by the interaction of the all living organism with each other and with physical and the chemical factors of the environment. In they live all the linked by the transfer of the energy and the material. Barter system we already discussed, and I had told you earlier and described about the barter system. Exchange of the goods and things is called barter system. This barter system is found most of the tribal regions, for example northeast region and the middle part of the India. In this system, humans changes their goods and things to each other without the money. So this is called barter system, and this practice is going to held in the tribal communities. Now we are going to discuss about the few important questions, but before discussing the important question, you should look the examples of the human made environment and the environment and humans. So look at the picture. This is the examples of the component of the natural environment. Now we are going to discuss about the some important question. Number 1 is, what is an ecosystem? I had earlier explained you about the ecosystem, but in short, an ecosystem is formed by the interaction of the living organism with one another and with the physical and the chemical factors of the environment in which they live. All are linked by the transfer of the energy and materials. They are interdependent. By natural environment, we mean the surroundings created by nature, the objects surroundings created by nature, including mountain, plateaus, plains, valley, forests, wildlife, land, air and water. Major component of the environment we discussed already. Natural component, land, water, air, living things, these are the natural component. Human made component, buildings, parks, road, bridge, mountain, industries, these are the human made environment, and these are the creation of the human. Now third one is human: individual, religion, political institutions, family, education, community and economics. Example of the human made environment we already discussed: building, park, bridges, road and mountain, industries, etc. And we already discussed lithosphere and two basic components of the biotic environments: plants, animals. And I am going to discuss the most important terminology in this chapter, that is biosphere. I had already explained you about the biosphere. It is a narrow strip between lithosphere, hydrosphere and the atmosphere is called biosphere. Now next question, MCQ based questions. Which is not a natural ecosystem? Desert, aquarium, forest. Answer would be aquarium. Now second question, which is not a component of human environment? Land, religion and community. So answer would be the land. Simple. Which is a human made environment? Mountain, sea, road. Answer would be the road, because it is created by the human. And which is a threat to environment? Growing population is the biggest threat. As we know, so many types of the problems are facing by the humans in present time. Most of problems are, number one is population explosion and pollution. These two issues are very burning in front of the human beings. Okay, now some more important questions are: give reasons man modifies his environment. Answer would be this question: he cuts forest and clears land for agriculture, industries and habitation. He tills land for agriculture. As we know, India is a farmer domain country, and near about 70% people of this country are engaged in the agricultural activity. So he tills land for agriculture. He uses land to build building, road and railways. He uses water, he uses air for his survival. He sets up industries, factories, etc. He does numerous other activities for his life, making it comfortable. Plants and animals dependent on each other in the following ways. Plants provide food to animal. They, in the form of forest, providing shelter to wildlife. Wildlife adds beauty to the forests. Animals provide manure to plants for growth. Animals also provide beauty to forest. Dead animals also provide humus contents. So remain portion we will be discussed tomorrow. Thank you so much for listening, watching my video on the self created YouTube channel. Thank you.